Alright, I'm going on vacation. Um, you can't fix crazy. You can medicate it. Um, and I like, tried to medicate my girl's crazy. Um, Whiskey does not medicate crazy well. Cocaine does not medicate crazy well. And after 2 days of dealing with crazy that has gone full retard, you better run, Forrest, run. So I'm running. Now, where am I gonna go vacation on? Well, here's what you gotta know. My tools are sitting at Crazy's house, and hopefully I get them back. My clothes are there. Now I left with a backpack full of clothes, and I tried to come back 14 hours after Crazy had hopefully settled down. Um, but I'm gonna tell you what, Crazy was doing push-ups. Crazy was working out hard, prepping for the fight when I showed up. So, it was time to leave. And in the leaving, my backpack got ripped off of me and clothes strewn all over the road. And I'm not fighting Crazy for some socks. So, I need a lift to vacation. And you want to know what I'm choosing over a new truck, house on the lake, my tools, dog's most comfortable shower ever, a fat bed, and a big 65-inch TV. Crazy is so crazy. I have a warrant, so I'd like to go to Oakland County Jail. And I'm gonna go camp out on the cement for a minute. And I fell in. I fell 6 years ago and shattered my leg and broke my back. I shattered my fucking leg. 26 screws, 3 plates in that bitch. Told me I'd never walk again, never lay a brick again. And I've been moving good. I dance, I sing, I climb roofs. I dance and sing while I climb roofs. Scaffolds, tote bricks. Was bicycling 100 miles a week. And, well, now I'm fat ass. I used to say I was 220 pounds of twisted steel, sex appeal, bricklaying skill, drinking beer for real. But, I'm a little heavier than that right now. Because last winter I fell 7 feet and busted that leg up. And then right as spring started going, and I started moving, I blew my knee out on a slick ass deck that got wet like that mold mildew. So, fuck it. I ain't restarting over and doing all this bullshit and having it yanked away on me for some bullshit ass warrant. Shit. I'm gonna go write some music and I'm gonna hit the Oakland County Jail. I guarantee I see a couple of my friends there. And I know I'm brick mason, and it's amazing what's going on right now. It's amazing. But Mark Maupin, Maupin. If you're watching this fucking video and you think this shit is great, commissary, you can send it. I mean, old lady got about $5 grand in her pocket, but she keep that fucking money and fuck that money. And I got some work lined up, a shitload of jobs to bid, but well, I'm going to deal with crazy. And I already got to look in the mirror and deal with my crazy, so I'm not trying to deal with nobody else's. I mean, fun crazy is good. Sex crazy is good. But crack back crazy, I'm good.